Oigan, ¿están listos? Sí, amigos, hoy, después de 3 años de estar con Spring Spanish, por fin hemos organizado un Live Spring Spanish Challenge. We've included everything that you're going to need to make massive progress in the next 3 months, so you start 2024 with amazing Spanish skills like addictive structured course materials, day-by-day lesson plans, live calls and guidance from Maura and myself, a community of other Spanish students, and many other bonuses that we are offering for the very first time. El challenge es perfecto para ti si eres principiante, principiante intermedio o principiante superior, porque tenemos materiales para diferentes niveles. If you're thinking, sí, quiero participar, you have to check out the link in the description to get all the enrollment information. You only have 5 days to enroll, and that is from now until Friday, the 29th of September 2023. That's right. If you'd like to get some more info right now, no te preocupes. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you're going to get if you enroll in the Spring Spanish Live Challenge. ¿Listos? What's included? Number 1, Structured Spanish Course, Los Cazadores de Tormentas. This wouldn't be a Spanish challenge without Spanish learning materials, obviamente. That's why you get full access to the first season of our signature course, Los Cazadores de Tormentas, a very special Spanish course designed as a radionovela, a soap opera. We already gave you a sneak peek of the materials in our previous video workshop, and amigos, eso fue solo el comienzo. En total, el curso tiene 33 diálogos, so you have plenty of material to keep you busy for the 12-week challenge. You get lifetime access to the first season of Los Cazadores de Tormenta, so even after the challenge ends, you can still go back and check the materials again, or if during the challenge you want to take a break, you can totally do it and then go back to it when you have time. Todos los temas de conversación útiles para los estudiantes de español están incluidos dentro de la historia. Por ejemplo,
situaciones de viaje como vuelos, taxis, registrarte en un hotel. Encontrarás todo lo que se te ocurra.
Buenos días, señor. ¿Me permite ver su pasaporte?
Conocer gente nueva y presentarte.
Por cierto, me llamo Peter o Pedro.
Encantada, Pedro. Me llamo Carla.
Visitar restaurantes y pedir comida deliciosa y bebidas increíbles.
A ver, Pedro, intenta esto. Dame un taco de camarón con todo.
Romance, por supuesto.
¡Uy! Entonces mi hermana sí se puede enamorar.
Vocabulario relacionado con el trabajo.
Llevo 10 años trabajando aquí en Quale.
Vocabulario de la familia.
Carla, mija, ¿cuánto tiempo sin verte?
además, añadimos a cada diálogo un paquete de Conversation-Based Chunking para que puedan utilizarlos realmente como material de aprendizaje. Maura te muestra que es más fácil así.
Every episode contains 3 lessons. You get 33 lessons in total, plus some introductory modules with monologues for each character. And comes with a conversation-based chunking pack that is downloadable audio for you to listen to over and over again, on your commute, at home, while doing chores, while walking, whatever you want. The chunks are highlighted just like we do in our videos, so your brain immediately notices the important ones, and you'll remember them more easily. There's a parallel translation in English, so you know exactly what every sentence and chunk means. There are flashcards for each lesson with the most important chunks, so you can imprint the chunks in your brain with a flashcard app, wherever and whenever you have a couple of spare minutes. We've added lesson notes with grammar explanations and references to all of our videos, which you can watch if you want some extra explanations to internalize grammar concepts.
Accountability. community with live challenge participants and us. Amigos, llegamos a la parte más cool de este live challenge. In the coming 12 weeks, everyone is going to go through the same lessons and Maura and I are going to be there for you. Porque aprender un idioma siempre es más divertido cuando tienes gente que te apoya. You'll become part of the Chunk Chaser community and you can ask us and other students questions, you can share your experiences, you can share fun videos and much more. Además, durante el challenge, Maura y yo vamos a organizar llamadas en vivo para mantenerlos responsables y para responder todas sus preguntas sobre el curso y sobre el idioma español. Incluso puedes aparecer en pantalla durante esas llamadas y practicar tu español con nosotros. What it will do for you. So, guys, participating in the Spring Spanish Life Challenge can help you make incredible progress in your Spanish. Right, Maura?
Tu comprensión oral habrá mejorado enormemente. So you'll understand native speakers much more easily. Habrás aprendido miles de chunks. A lot. Not just random words or grammar rules, but actual vocabulary that you can start using immediately. Los chunks se te grabarán en el cerebro y saldrán solos de tu boca en las conversaciones. No more clumsiness, no more guessing. Habrás añadido una nueva dimensión de español a tu vida. The Spanish-speaking world has opened up for you. Habrás creado hábitos de aprendizaje de idiomas sólidos como una roca. 3 months of consistent studying, immersing, doing flashcards, listening will have a transformational effect on you.
Suena bien, ¿no? If you are ready to join us, click in the link in the description to get all the enrollment information. Y si todavía tienes dudas, let me make this a bit more interesting for you because we're offering some extra bonuses. And I think these are the best part. Número 1, a fast action bonus. The first 25 people to join will get an exclusive invitation to this Kickstart Q&A event with Maura and me. If you're among the first 25 people to enroll, you're going to be invited to this live call at the beginning of the course to get all the answers that you need, to get to know each other, to find motivation, which is really important because we want you to start the challenge with the right mindset. Número 2, Spring Spanish Foundation, an extra beginner's course. Los Cazadores de Tormentas gives you true real-life conversations. These are awesome to practice, but they can be a bit hard for true beginners. Por eso, everyone who enrolls is going to get free access to a beginner's course, so you can prepare for the real deal or simply review your Spanish foundations. We used to offer this course separately on our website for $297, but now you get access to it for free when you enroll to Los Cazadores de Tormentas. Número 3, Life Language Habit Masterclass, to help you establish a learning routine, acquire learning habits, and finish the challenge. Seamos honestos, a todos nos cuesta ser constantes con los cursos de idiomas. That's why one of the co-founders of Spring Spanish, my dear Lucas Van Vive, who by the way speaks perfectly 6 languages, is going to host a live language habit masterclass. What can you expect from this masterclass? Practical tips and tricks to build habits and setting up a routine that helps you stay consistent and finish the challenge. Number 4, Memory Masterclass, to help you memorize Spanish vocabulary and most importantly, chunks. You'll also get access to our Memory Masterclass where we have bundled together amazing techniques to help you memorize all the chunks in Spanish that you're going to need in really anything in your life. All free as part of your enrollment. Number 5, Spring Spanish Inner Circle, 6 months free access. By the way, it has a $90 value just by itself. After the Spring Spanish Live Challenge ends at the end of 2023, we want to continue your momentum. So, in January 2024, you're going to get 6 months of access to our Inner Circle of Spring Spanish, our membership, which includes transcripts and flashcards for all of our YouTube lessons, 400 and counting. Community access to keep you accountable. More live calls with me. Mini courses around specific topics like travel. That way, you'll have enough materials to keep learning Spanish in 2024 as well. Amigos, no sé ustedes, pero con todos estos materiales y todo ese apoyo, sería imposible no progresar con el español. Y mira, when learning Spanish, you have options, of course. You could get an university degree, which could cost you, I don't know, maybe $50,000 per year, depending on where you are in the world. Or you can hire a good private tutor, which is going to cost you around $50 for an hour lesson, which will add up to $1,200 for a 12-week program, which might sound expensive, pero para ser honesto, yo creo que valdría mucho la pena para lograr tus objetivos con el español. Pero since we host our Spanish courses online, it is possible for us to create something of equal value but for much, much, much less than $50,000 a year. You can get access to the Spanish course material, community, guidance from Maura and me, and all the extra bonuses for just $297 USD. Remember, enrollment is only open until Friday at midnight, and we have that fast action bonus I told you about with an exclusive call with Maura and me for the first 25 participants. Así que cuando estés listo para unirte, asegúrate de darle clic al enlace en la descripción y ya, únete a nosotros ahora. Tendrás acceso inmediato a la comunidad y a las primeras lecciones. Rest assured, we want to make this a risk-free decision for you. So, if you're not entirely sure that this is for you, no worries. You can join the challenge today and you can get access to the materials, you can join the community and join the live calls. And if in the next 21 days you realize, you know what, this is not for you, no worries. Just send us a message in the academy and we will refund all the fee, everything that you paid, no questions asked. Yeah, we're that confident. You're gonna love it. If you have more questions, check out the enrollment page. There we have already answered the most frequently asked questions. You can also leave questions in the comments and we'll answer them. Or actually, we're probably gonna do a live on YouTube where we will answer all the questions. Looking forward to seeing you in the challenge.